Hi everyone, I thought instead of these dull old Bakelite radios that I have, I thought we'd have something chrome and shiny and blingy on my channel. This is the Sanyo Transworld 18H-815 made by Sanyo Electronics in Japan in about 1970. Sanyo are of course now a subsidiary of Panasonic, but in those days I think they would make some quite good sets. I'd never really had any interest in buying Japanese sets, but when I saw this for sale I just had to get it. It is so shiny and so it wasn't shiny when I bought it, but I could see it had some potential. The only thing cosmetically wrong with it is it's missing one of the caps here from one of the controls. Quite hard to find. I keep looking, and obviously you need to see radios in the flesh. This one's got a very like a lathed groove in it that catches the light. You can probably see it on the two tuning knobs a little bit better, but this is a lovely radio. It's quite big. Put a PP9 in front of it again. Quite a big set. The speaker sticks out 4 watts or thereabouts. As I say, I bought this one and I didn't pay very much for it. I've seen these go for quite a lot of money, and I assume they're only going to get more and more dearer to buy. This one has still got its aerials. They're not bent or anything. A little bit wobbly maybe, but they're not really bent. All it needed was a lot of work polishing up the chrome, and the sort of vinyl covering. I've scrubbed and cleaned all that. The grille has been scrubbed, and the meter wasn't working, like the tuning meter or the signal strength meter. The needle sits on 2 white metal pivots, so I just slackened the screws off just a touch, and now it's fairly free and running now. It's quite a featured radio. On-off volume, bass, treble, squelch for on shortwave, fine tuning, which works quite well actually, automatic frequency control. Let's have a look on top. On top is light control, automatic. I'm not sure what that is. That might be like a automatic gain. Long wave, medium wave, short wave 2, 49 meters band spread, and FM. It's quite a heavy old radio. What I'll do is I'll prop this up because I need to be holding the back open. So let's have a look inside. Now this one came with the original earpiece still in its bag. Underneath in that space there should be a little bag with like a long wire aerial in it to plug in the side there. Still got its original battery cases. Quite a big speaker that runs the height of the cabinet. You note all the fine wires up to the coils. So it's a very nice radio. These instructions for, that's the power supply there. Either 120 or 240 volts, I believe. That's it on top. Yeah. You can see this is a quality radio. It was quite filthy inside when I bought it, very dusty, which is quite odd. Whether the dust gets up this slot here, I'm not sure, but it was very dusty, and I had to be really careful because of these fine wires just there. Yeah, very nice radio. I like to touch up got the white paint on the back here for the Transworld badge. Let's turn it round and give it a listen. Put it on long wave and turn it on.
So how is their situation now? Have you been talking to them on phone or in any way?
It should be BBC 4, BBC Radio 4.
In my country. By now, I don't know how.
I'll try it on FM.
Very unfortunate to come in and go down. And then we've had opportunities in the second half to equalise, and I feel if we had have equalised, you know, it could have been different.
You think you really should have been in front? I mean, Lewis Hilliard had a great chance in just the second minute, and things could have been really different then. That would have been just
so there we go.
Really wanted away from her.
The Sanyo Transworld 18H-815. Thanks for watching.